Hello everyone, welcome to my tutorial. Today we'll be learning how to design the Beats logo. First, select the ellipse tool and hold Shift to draw a circle. To press Ctrl+C to copy the circle and press Ctrl+V to paste it. Drag it into the same position as the first circle and scale it down, while holding Alt+Shift keys. Remove the fill on the small circle, and add stroke to it. Increase the stroke to about this size. Select the line tool and draw a vertical line to meet the path of the smaller circle like so. Select both line and smaller circle and expand them. Select everything and click on the Shape Builder tool. Hold Alt and click the white areas to remove them. So now all that's left is the Beats text. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial and learned something new. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Goodbye until the next video.